Hey guys, this is me HR. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make a thumbnail like triggered insaan in Ibis Paint mobile app. I know there are a lot of people who still wanna start with their Android phone or maybe iPhone or whatever it is, but because they doesn't have any PC or laptop, they couldn't do anything, right? And they think like it's not possible to make a thumbnail or anything using your smartphone, but that's possible. And today I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Follow my steps and follow how I'm doing it. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like, share, comment for more videos. So first of all, we need to card the subjects from the background and place them in their place. And then just pick a color and put it on the background, just like that. Yeah. So now we need another color. Let's just click here, and then from drawing tool, we need to click the rectangle one. Now, pick another color, like this. I guess this one will go well. No, we can just drag like this. Yeah. Here I have another color. We can keep it right here or maybe just behind triggered insaan. Yeah, it looks good here, right? Let's just keep it. Yeah, that's good. We can try changing the color here and there to see what fits well. I guess is this good here? Let's just keep it here. Now, I will take another layer and make the blending mode in add. And then take the airbrush, make it white, increase the brush size and just tap. Oh yeah, make sure the drawing tool is off. And now tap. Just like this. Now you can see there is an effect, which is glowing effect. Now we will have to decrease the opacity, just like that. Yeah, and there we go. Well, now I will just reposition it to see which looks good. I'm sorry for my English is not so good. I'm just using English just for those who doesn't know Bangla. So, hope you understand my English. Alright, so now we will try to add another effect behind True Guiding Sun. Just clip this to the sky color and just paint it like this, just like before we did. Now let's add the text and the effects. By the way, I'm not adding any text effects here. I'm just making this just for the tutorial. And yeah, if you want to know the tools and everything in Ibis Paint, just comment so I can make a full video, or maybe you can say, where I will explain all the tools, what they do, what their work. So you will know the Ibis Paint more. So here I'm just adding that text. Alright, now let's add a rectangle behind the cropped, because it's not standing out. So we will just take the rectangle and decrease or increase the brush size to make the corner. Look, we can make the corner around it like this. And if we decrease the brush size to the 0, then our rectangle will be like sharp. The corners will be sharp, just like that. So let's add this to behind the cropped. Now let's add this emoji. So I didn't find any PNG, that's why we need to card this. I will just use the AI. So it select automatically. I guess it looks good here. Let's duplicate this. No, take this on maybe here. Yeah, that looks good. Now we can add stroke for the emoji because the color of the emoji and the background color is matching. Just a white stroke looks good. Now enjoy the video, and if any question, please comment, and I will try to answer your question.